How to contact Bolt Food delivery driver. Need to reach your delivery driver? Here's the quickest way to contact them through Bolt Food. Once your order is confirmed, tap Orders and select your active delivery. You'll see the driver's name, vehicle info, and two options: call or chat. Tap Chat for text updates or call for urgent communication like clarifying your location. Keep messages clear and polite. Short direction or get details help them find you faster. Use chat for small updates and calls only when necessary to avoid delays. Ever had a funny or helpful chat with a Bolt Food driver? Share your story in the comments below. And that's how you can contact Bolt Food delivery driver. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.